More than 1 million military service members will re-enter civilian life over the next 5 years and join the ranks of 21.3 million veterans who have dedicated their lives to serving our country. These brave men and women face many challenges on their journey home.
There's 1% of our population that's out there defending our freedoms every day, and that 1% is now coming back and deserves our attention.
There are nearly 1 million unemployed veterans in the United States. 300,000 live in the national capital area. 29% of post-9/11 veterans ages 18 to 24 are unemployed. That's 10% higher than non-veterans of that same age.
If you think about it, if you didn't have a job and your family was depending upon you, how would you feel? You're already coming back for having served sometimes 3 and 4 times in theater, and now you come back to your country and you can't even get a job and you can't even meet the needs of your family. I can't imagine how that would feel.
Prior to showing up at Easter Seals, I had about 4 to 5 months of job search, which was pretty much fruitless.
I thought it would be easy for a veteran to find work, and I found that not to be the case.
Beyond the unemployment line, many of our American heroes are challenged by the stresses of transition. Struggles to maintain loving relationships with friends and family. And our heroes make up 20% of our country's homeless population. Easter Seals has proudly served United States veterans since 1945, helping thousands of military families through a wide range of programs and services.
Easter Seals was ready, willing, and able, just as veterans are. We put that together, the ability of veterans and the ability of Easter Seals to conquer that challenge, and that's what we're addressing through our Veteran Staffing Network.
Through Easter Seals, their program works, and it helped me, and so that's why I'm here today.
Our supporters help us meet the needs of our veterans and their families, placing nearly 300 veterans with support for career training, education, and mental health counseling.
The donor and the philanthropist who gets involved with Easter Seals Veterans Staffing Network will put thousands of veterans to work, creating much healthier communities, and they will create a program that will be self-sustaining over time. Many, many, many lives will change and be improved, and our communities will be substantially stronger as a result.
Easter Seals is an organization that provides exceptional services. There are not a lot of organizations that truly go out and provide those exceptional services, and when you see how they interact with children, veterans, wounded people and their families, I mean, they really do, I think, do everything that's so important, and they provide an invaluable service that I believe is really second to none.
Realizing the tremendous national reach and local impact that Easter Seals has is one of the reasons why Dixon Center is now partnered with Easter Seals. It's because of their encouragement and recognizing and visualizing this community-based support network. This can only be done locally, and it can only be done by those local organizations that recognize the capacity for greatness, that recognize the ability of this generation of veterans, just like previous generations of veterans.
When someone talks about Easter Seals, or when I hear that name, it's a comforting word for me. Easter Seals is now a part of my life.
I would encourage veterans to use the program. You're right, you earned it. In the military, we take pride in what we earn, so take pride in the use of this program. You've earned it.